안녕 친구야. 저리 마치 우니까 잠깐만 갔네. 잠깐만 래 너도 조금 멀었지. 조금만 가면은 좀 많았지. Hi guys, today is Tuesday and it's raining outside because there's a typhoon named Lani. Lani is um, will be landing. Okay, so since it's raining outside, we can't play outside, so we're here in our room. We're just sleeping, we're lying in our bed because there's no things to do, and that's it. My baby is playing with her teddy bear. What's the name of your teddy bear? Baby Aya. Where is baby? Where is the other one? Where is it? Lisa, where? So my baby is kapoy. She's tired. She's been playing since a while ago. She's running. She's eating grapes. What did you eat? Oh, she's eating grapes. She doesn't like to eat rice with patatas. So she told her Lola to cook patatas, fried potato, because that's her favorite food, and also banana. We don't have banana, Lisa. Yeah. Hi guys, so very boring. I need to work. I will just prepare my, what did you say? Alabella? I have no Alabella here. What did you say? Guys, it's very rainy outside. The rain is heavy and there's wind. We can play games. We can browse our internet because there's no signal here. No internet connection. No Wi-Fi. Oh my goodness, I don't know how to say this. Oh, she's singing Rain Rain Go Away so that the rain will go away so that we can play outside. Okay, sing again.
Rain, rain, go away, come again. Baby Chacha, want to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Baby Chacha? Are you Baby Chacha or are you Baby Lisa?
Yeah.
You're Baby Lisa.
Yeah.
So sing again with Baby Lisa. Go.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again now.
Baby Lisa.
Rain, rain, go away.
Yay! So she's done singing Rain Rain Go Away so that the rain will go away, but the rain is still pouring outside. I don't know what time will it stop. I will go to work now. Oh, I'm afraid. I'm afraid if the rain won't stop, I can't go to work. But why? What's wrong? Okay guys, annyeong. See you again next time. Bye. Love you. Love you.